Also, we have some more esoteric evidences, like the numerical design of Scripture. A Russian scientist by the name of Ivan Panin found numerical patterns all through the text of the Old and New Testament. He was using the original languages and using the variants among them. So he didn't just play around with the words. He found, for example, in the genealogy of Matthew, many different features of 7 that would be almost impossible to contrive. They would definitely be impossible by chance, but they'd be also very, very difficult, even if you're an expert with computers. And of course, we know the Bible writers didn't have those back then. And you find those same type of patterns throughout the whole text. In fact, he thought that one of the ways you can tell which variant is the correct one is by applying his numeric tests. I think it's an overlooked line of evidence that needs to be brought out again and looked at again more seriously. No one's even, that I can see, has really been able to refute what he said. And I have a whole chapter on him and on his work and on other designs in the Bible that seem to be related to the numerical properties of Scripture. And that makes sense because we have a numerically designed universe. You have patterns and flowers, and in everywhere you look, flowers and musical notes and different time periods and patterns in the universe, the periods of the planets, that all seem to be very numerically coordinated, some divisible by 7 and other numbers, many numerical properties. I also touch on an even more controversial